Hey, this is Pete with Wrap My Spyder. Hope everybody's doing good today. Today we're going to show you just a real quick video on how to apply our paint protection film. And today we're going to install the film on the RT headlight. So this protects from stone chips and scratches as well as the effects of bugs. It's our clear paint protection film. And actually this RT that we're working on here is being completely covered in our transparent clear paint protection film. So we wanted to just shoot a quick video to show you how to apply this film. If you have interest for the headlights or any other sections of your bike, as an example for the RT, we have just about every panel in a pre-cut to make installation pretty easy, as you will see. So to get started, of course, we want to prep the surface, make sure that there's no bugs or debris on the surface. We've thoroughly washed it with dish soap and mixed in some simple green. And that's been done, it's been rinsed, and we're ready to do the application. So just in review, a couple things that you would need in order to apply our paint protection film, and that is something you can get readily at the store. Johnson's baby shampoo, unscented. It's in a clear bottle like this, so you'll need some of that. Typically, if you're doing an install and you can find a spray bottle like this, we recommend that you use a spray bottle like this, and what you would do is add 15 corn kernel size drops of baby shampoo in that spray bottle. So we're talking about, picture a piece of corn on the cob, 1 corn kernel, so quite small, 15 drops. Fill the remainder of the bottle with water, shake it well. That's your mix. Prior to install, of course, we always recommend that you use 70% rubbing alcohol and paper towel. So we've done all that. We're ready to do the install. So after it's been cleaned, now it's wet, we're going to spray our slip mix on the surface of the headlight, as well as the adhesive side of the paint protection film. Now, before you peel the film's going to come on a clear sheet similar to this. And before you peel the film, you want to make sure that you wet your fingers so that you don't fingerprint the adhesive. So spray your fingers, and then as you peel the panel off of the page, you want to spray it. So keep it wet, and this way it's going to transfer correctly without any marks. So now you've got the headlight sprayed, you have the adhesive side of the lens sprayed. You simply set it into place, positioning it, and you'll see that it's going to slide around, so it'll give you an opportunity to place it as you desire. Once you get it where you want it, you just basically start very lightly squeegeeing the excess water out. And it'll tack reasonably quick. Working from the middle to the outside, making sure that it doesn't move. And with the pre-cuts, it's quite easy because you don't have to do any trimming as long as you keep the panel centered. So that's about it for paint protection. So as long as your mix is correct, like we had mentioned, you wet both surfaces, the surface you're applying to, adhesive side of the paint protection film, tack it to it, align it, lightly squeegee, and then when you go through your second pass, then you can squeegee a little bit harder. So that's it for installing this headlight paint protection film. Now, you want to allow it some time to tack up. So you would wait, you know, a number of hours before you would even wash the bike. Wouldn't recommend pressure washing for about 2 weeks. After you do the paint protection film, obviously you're putting it on wet, so you want to make sure that it's all tacked up very nicely and no chances for peeling. But that's a quick tutorial on how to do our paint protection film. If you have questions, you can email us, sales@wrapmyspyder.com, or feel free to give us a ring. We'd be happy to answer your questions and get you anything you need regarding the clear stone chip protection. The film is a wonderful film. It's manufactured by Xpel, one of the leaders in the paint protection film industry, as well as window tint. And we're very, very happy with the product. And if we can do anything to assist you in pre-cuts, please let us know and we'll do our best to help. And this is Pete with wrapmyspyder.com. We appreciate you watching this simple video on the Spyder RT headlight paint protection film.